Hello folks, this is Steve AB4EL. Is it going to be easy in, easy out? It's 5:10 p.m. December 23rd, 2025. What do we think? Everybody's actually in the big box store shopping. That's where they actually are. And now I got two people in front of me. Are they going to? Oh, one's going in. That's good. And what's this person going to do? They're making up their mind which line to get in. Come on, let's go. All right, I'm going to change my mind and get closer to the curb. See, those two are about equal. That order is quick. I'm pretty sure that guy's got his order in there quick. Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Oh, I hope I didn't make a mistake. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Come on, let's go. Steve.
Alright, what can I get for you?
I'd like a #1 deluxe meal, please. What do you have with cheese? What do you have? What do you have for cheese?
We have American Colby Jack and Pepper Jack.
Colby Jack would be great.
Alright, and what's the drink with that?
I'd like to have a Coke Zero with no ice, please.
Alright, anything else for you?
That's it, and no sauces.
Alright, that'll be $9.90 the corner.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
It's moving. It's moving. Handing them the cash. Yeah. Handing them the cash. The big box store parking lot, or the big box store itself, is just crowded. And the shopping people they're really out there, you know, the shop in the store for you. Boy, talk about all those spaces are full. Nobody wants, if they can avoid going in the store today, they're going to do it. Great service. How come I don't use it? She's bored. Yeah. We're waiting for the line to move. Come on, line, let's go. See, I'm like that. Come on, line, let's go. I think I see some motion. Come on, come on. Keep moving. Oh, she's gonna stay. Only 9 million? Yes, please. I count them all up at the end of the month to be sure. Thank you very much. Merry Christmas. I even know how to say Feliz Navidad. And I also know how to say Joyeux Noel. I can get it in all 3 languages. This is a treat for me. It's more than a meal, it's a treat. Wait till I get those. I hope those waffle fries are hot and smelly. I love the smell. Oh, I should say odor, more dignified. Okay, they had bags ready for that one up front. 2 big bags. Uh-oh. Yeah, okay, good. That was the order. So we're moving. Oh, look at that big one. See, I knew they would get people. Oh, look at those big orders. I could eat all of those plus mine. I want to be sure I have the receipt. I'm pretending to be Steve today. Put that in here. And thank you very much. Merry Christmas. Okay, there we go. There we go. Almost as good as going in. Sitting inside. Oh, see here, so you got to hit it at the right time. That's the whole deal, folks. Now the question is, can I get out of here? Should I try to turn here or should I go up? I'm going to go up. I can smell the waffle fries. I can smell them. Oh, I can smell them. Okay, that person's turning. I turned. I was shielded. Those people went. Everything is cool. This green arrow is going to stay there because they're turning. Oh, we got out! Hey! Now hang on a second. Hang on a second. I'm going to put the drink between my legs. Let me grab one waffle fry. Oh, they're hot. Oh, this is wonderful. Just the way I like them. See, baby boy, I'll head it home from shopping. Smile on his face and heart, saying, see you in 73.